I'm going to walk you through the market cap in 3 simple steps. The first is the calculation, the second is the application with an earnings balance sheet example, and last is the limitations to consider. And just as a reminder, I am not a financial advisor and am not liable for any results based on your decisions. This video is for educational purposes only. Now, let's begin. Let's start off with the calculation of market capitalization. Market capitalization, commonly referred to as market cap, is equivalent to a company's market price times its total number of shares outstanding. The market price is equivalent to the company's current stock price, and the total outstanding shares is the total number of shares of a company's stock that are currently owned by all shareholders, including institutional investors, insiders, and the public. Now let's apply this concept to an actual balance sheet of 3 types of companies. The first are the small cap companies. The small cap companies have a market cap range of between $300 million and $2 billion. Their growth potential is often very high. Their liquidity includes low trading volumes and higher price fluctuations. Their research and coverage includes less analyst coverage and less detailed information. Think of these stocks as hidden gems in the market, offering potentially substantial growth opportunities for investors willing to take on a bit more risk. Current examples of these companies include AMC Entertainment, whose revenue includes movie ticket sales, and Grocery Outlet, whose revenue includes grocery goods sales like meat, packaged goods, and fresh produce. The second company type are the mid-cap companies. The mid-cap companies have a market cap range of between $2 billion and $10 billion. Their growth potential is often moderate to high. Their liquidity includes moderate trading volumes and moderate price fluctuation. Their research and coverage includes moderate analyst coverage and moderate detailed information. Think of these companies as promising opportunities with a balanced risk-reward profile, offering moderate growth potential and stability for investors seeking a middle ground. Current examples of these companies include SharkNinja, whose revenue includes home appliance sales such as cleaning appliances and kitchen appliances, and Elf Beauty, whose revenue includes cosmetics and skincare product sales. And the last company type are the large cap companies. The large cap companies have a market cap range greater than $10 billion. Their growth potential is often low. Their liquidity includes high trading volumes and stable price fluctuations. Their research and coverage includes extensive analyst coverage and highly detailed information. Think of these companies as stable and well-established leaders in the market, offering steady performance with lower growth potential but also lower risk. Current examples of these companies include Coca-Cola, whose revenue includes bottled and canned beverage sales, and the Boeing Company, whose revenue includes aircraft sales such as commercial airplanes and airplane parts. What factors guide your decision to invest in small, mid, or large cap companies? Let us know your criteria and how they affect your choices in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Now let's get a quick snapshot of the differences between these market caps. Here's a quick reference table for you to directly compare the differences between market caps. Feel free to take a screenshot for your reference. Now let's walk through the calculation using the balance sheet example of Tesla. This is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold Tesla. I am just going over how to calculate Tesla's market cap using its most recent balance sheet. So here we go. For market capitalization, we know we're going to need 2 values. The first value is going to be Tesla's number of shares outstanding, and the second is going to be Tesla's stock price. So we're going to search for Tesla Investor Relations. Now I'll be using the most recent number of shares given on the quarterly balance sheet. So once we scroll down to Tesla Investor Relations and we open that page up, we can see Tesla's most recent earnings report was Q2. So we're going to go open that, and once we get there, we're going to scroll down to where we can see stockholders' equity, and here Tesla has 3,194 millions of shares. So that's our share value that we're going to be using for market capitalization. Now we're also going to need the current price. So in order to do that, just search Tesla price, and we can search for it on Yahoo Finance, for example, and right here. Currently it's at $231.68. However, you can see here that Tesla's price is fluctuating quite a bit. For the sake of the calculation, I'm going to be using the previous price, which is right here, previous close. So $219.80. That is our value of interest. Tesla's market price is $219.80, and its outstanding share count is 3,194 million shares. Thus, multiplying the two leads us to Tesla's current market cap of $702,041,200,000. The last and important step is to consider the limitations of market capitalization. The first limitation is there is limited insight into a company's financial. Market cap is based solely on stock price and the number of outstanding shares, not on a company's financial health, profitability, or debt levels. For example, a company might have a high market cap but also significant financial problems or high levels of debt. Second, there is the impact of stock buybacks or issuances. Market cap can be influenced by stock buybacks or new share issuances, which may not necessarily reflect changes in the underlying value or operational performance of the company. Third is regarding growth and innovation. Market cap does not consider a company's potential for future growth, innovation, or strategic developments. For instance, a small cap company might have high growth potential that isn't reflected in its low market cap. Thank you for sticking with me throughout this video. If you want to learn more about the fundamental EPS concept, click on my previous video link over here. If you're interested in learning about how the market cap is integrated into enterprise value, click on the video link over here. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos coming up soon. Happy investing and see you in my next video.